Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Datatrans Payment Acquire in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module seamlessly integrates the Datatrans payment gateway into your Odoo system, enabling secure and reliable online transaction, supporting a wide range of payment methods including credit cards, mobile payments, and local payment options. It offers flexibility for your customers at checkout. This integration ensures smooth transaction processing, real-time updates, and compliance with industry security standards, making it an ideal solution for businesses aiming to streamline online payments within the Odoo environment. So first of all, we will go into the website. Under configuration, we will find the menu for payment providers. Open that and here you will find a payment provider for Datatrans. Here you can see Datatrans payment provider. You can enable the state, but right now I have selected test mode. Under that, you need to add the credentials such as merchant ID, HMAC sign key, and API password. After entering all these credentials, you need to hop on to the home page. So here we are going into the home page and we will go into the shop. Here you can see the products. So I am going to add some products into my cart. So here I am adding 3-seat sofa into my cart. Now click on view cart and here you will be redirected to review your order. Here you can see your product is added into the cart. So after this you need to click on checkout. After clicking on checkout, here you can check your delivery method, which is standard delivery. So we are just going to confirm it. And here you need to choose a payment method. So of course we are choosing Datatrans as our payment method. Now click on pay now. Now here you can see that it is being redirected to the payment method. So here you need to choose the payment method. So I am selecting MasterCard. Here I need to add my card number. So I am adding my card number, add the expiration date and add your CVV. After this, you need to click on pay. So here you can see it is verifying your payment and here you can see that your payment is successfully processed. Now you will be redirected to the thank you for your order page. Under that you can see your order number and under payment information you can see Datatrans and this amount is there. Now we will go into the editor. Under configuration we will go into the payment transaction. Open that and here you will find the payment transaction we just did. Here you can see the reference, under that you can see the payment and under that you can see the amount for your payment. Under that you can see the method and the provider for your payment and here you can see every little detail regarding your payment transaction. You can also see that it is in confirmed state. Now click on the smart button for sale order and you will be redirected to the sale order for your transaction. Here in the order lines you can see the product and standard delivery and in the chatter you can see the history for your transaction. Now after this we will go into the Datatrans account. Here you can see my Datatrans account. And we are just going to refresh our page and here you can see we are in the transaction. So here you can see the transaction we just created. You can see the date and time. You can see the merchant ID, card brand, card number, amount, currency, reference number and status in here. You can see the other details in here also. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.